This is the Turf Equipment and Supply Company video update for April 2018. In the heat of the season, accurate chemical applications are more important than ever. Our certified service technicians will completely calibrate any brand sprayer using a catch test, as well as calibrate speed sensors and flow meters. Inspection of all valves and pump drive system will be performed, and hands-on training with your staff is encouraged. We also offer a discount on nozzles and caps during the calibration service. Contact us today to request sprayer calibration. Are you looking for a new landscape product service to add to your business? Patio lighting is a convenient, perfect add-on sale for your customers that can quickly be installed in a few simple steps. Turf Equipment and Supply is now a vendor partner with Prime Patio Lighting. Designed specifically for landscape contractors, Prime Patio promises quality, energy, efficiency, and beauty, as well as a great opportunity to grow sales in the outdoor living space. Contact us today for more information. Are you tired of shoveling aeration plugs? The Nordic Plow Core Collector System allows you to remove aerated core plugs faster, cleaner, and safer than traditional methods. All of this using less manpower. The patent-pending rounded edge blade glides along the top of the green or tee box, gathering the plugs as you go. The Nordic Plow attaches to your Toro ProCore 648 or 864 aerifiers. Call your territory manager today for more information. Looking for a new Toro hat? During the month of April, every $300 Toro parts order earns a free hat. One hat per order, and the promotion ends on April 30th, so hurry and get your order placed today by calling our parts department. No one likes repairing broken irrigation pipes. Let us make your life easier with Himax Couplings. Himax Repair Solutions have the ability to repair almost any type of crack, break, or hole in irrigation pipes. Known for their versatility and flexibility, Himax Repair Couplings and Clamps save time, cost, and effort, even under the most extreme conditions. There is also a full line of pipe restraints. Contact us today for more information. And that's the Turf Equipment and Supply Company video update for April 2018. Visit our website at www.turf-equipment.com for all our upcoming events, specials, and educational resources.